Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. Question number 1. It is also known as guinea worm parasite. A person becomes infected by drinking water contaminated with guinea worm larvae that reside inside copepods, a small aquatic crustaceans. Letter A, Cryptosporidium parvum. Letter B, Dracunculus medinensis. Letter C, Entamoeba histolytica. Letter D, Schistosoma hematobium. The answer is letter B, Dracunculus medinensis. Question number 2. It exists naturally in rocks in the Earth's crust. It also exists in some drinking water supplies and wells. Most private wells do not have routine testing for water quality or contaminants, thus exposure to high levels may cause stomach pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and impaired nerve function. Impaired nerve function may cause a pins and needles sensation or numbness and burning in hands and feet. Letter A, fluoride. Letter B, radon. Letter C, lead. Letter D, arsenic. The answer is letter D, arsenic. Question number 3. It refers to deposits that form on the interior of pipes, vessels, or equipment from chemicals in the conveyed liquid. Metallic pipe systems are particularly affected because their surface properties make them more susceptible to deposits, sometimes leading to total blockage. Letter A, cavitation. Letter B, incrustation. Letter C, galvanic action. Letter D, hardness. The answer is letter B, incrustation. Question number 4. Roof tanks and other hidden elements of the system should be blank. Letter A, provided with overflows that discharge in such a way as to act as a warning before causing damage. Letter B, equipped with a temperature and pressure relief valve. Letter C, located so that any leakage or backflow in the drainage system cannot contaminate their area or contents. Letter D, taken by indirect connections of the internal fixtures to the plumbing system. The answer is letter A, provided with overflows that discharge in such a way as to act as a warning before causing damage. Question number 5. A seepage is defined as a sewage terminal. Letter A, receiving both liquid and solid waste. Letter B, receiving only liquid waste. Letter C, receiving only solid waste. Letter D, receiving direct human excrement. The answer is letter B, receiving only liquid waste. Question number 6. The appropriate type of material for vent pipes in an acid waste system is blank. Letter A, malleable iron. Letter B, galvanized iron. Letter C, DWV copper. Letter D, plastic. The answer is letter D, plastic. Question number 7. Air binding is a condition that may occur as a result of blank. Letter A, filter bed compaction. Letter B, gravel displacement. Letter C, reaching terminal head loss. Letter D, negative head. The answer is letter D, negative head. Question number 8. A fluoride saturator blank. Letter A, can only be used by large treatment facilities. Letter B, is suitable for small water systems. Letter C, eliminates the need for chemical handling. Letter D, eliminates the need for a metering pump. The answer is letter B, is suitable for small water systems. Question number 9. Pinpoint flock is a condition associated with blank. Letter A, the type of chemical selected. Letter B, low turbidity. Letter C, flash mixing. Letter D, water temperature. The answer is letter C, flash mixing. Question number 10. Polyelectrolytes are blank. Letter A, used for hardness reduction. Letter B, coagulants. Letter C, used for pH adjustment. Letter D, coagulant aids. The answer is letter D, coagulant aids. Question number 11. A condition that tends to increase the corrosiveness of water on metals is blank. Letter A, high dissolved oxygen content. Letter B, high fluoride concentration. Letter C, low dissolved oxygen content. Letter D, low total dissolved solids. The answer is letter A, high dissolved oxygen content. Question number 12. The nephelometric method of measuring turbidity is based on the blank. Letter A, transmission of light. Letter B, to avoid contamination of the filter bed. Letter C, to lessen sludge disposal problems. Letter D, because the use of untreated water is more costly. The answer is letter B, to avoid contamination of the filter bed. Question number 13. 97% of the Earth's water is found in the oceans, too salty for drinking, growing crops, and most industrial uses except cooling. How many percent of the Earth's water is fresh? Letter A, 3%, letter B, 7%, letter C, 11%, letter D, 5%. The answer is letter A, 3%. Question number 14. The chemical that is found to be most suitable as water evaporation inhibitor is blank. Letter A, ethyl alcohol. Letter B, cetyl alcohol. Letter C, methyl alcohol. Letter D, butyl alcohol. The answer is letter B, cetyl alcohol. Question number 15. The fraction of water held back in the aquifer is known as blank. Letter A, specific retention. Letter B, specific yield. Letter C, specific storage. Letter D, specific capacity. The answer is letter A, specific retention. Question number 16. For one-dimensional flow without recharge in an unconfined aquifer between two water bodies, the steady water table profile is blank. Letter A, a straight line. Letter B, an ellipse. Letter C, a parabola. Letter D, an arc of a circle. The answer is letter C, a parabola. Question number 17. These are large diameter sewers that are used to convey wastewater from main sewers to treatment facilities or to intercepting sewers. Letter A, main sewers. Letter B, lateral sewers. Letter C, interceptors. Letter D, trunk sewers. The answer is letter D, trunk sewers. Question number 18. This classic pipe material has a high resistance to corrosion and abrasion. The pipe is manufactured with integral bell and spigot ends fitted with polymeric rings. Pipes are typically joined with push-on gasket joints. Letter A, PVC. Letter B, VCP. Letter C, DIP. Letter D, HDPE. The answer is letter B, VCP. VCP stands for vitrified clay pipe. Question number 19. Screw pump is to rely on one or several screws meshing each other, the formation of space volume changes, to transport liquid. Screw pump is also known as blank. Letter A, Bernoulli screw. Letter B, Darcy screw. Letter C, Archimedes screw. Letter D, Faraday screw. The answer is letter C, Archimedes screw. Question number 20. It is a water purification process that removes ions, unwanted molecules, and larger particles from drinking water using a partially permeable membrane. As a result, the solute is kept on the membrane's pressurized side and the pure solvent is allowed to pass to the other side. Letter A, iron-based sorbents. Letter B, reverse osmosis. Letter C, enhanced lime softening. Letter D, activated alumina. The answer is letter B, reverse osmosis. Question number 21. The amount of water per unit weight of biosolids. It is expressed as a percentage of the total weight of the wet biosolids. Letter A, moisture content. Letter B, specific weight. Letter C, bulk modulus of water. Letter D, specific volume. The answer is letter A, moisture content. Question number 22. As the temperature of a system approaches absolute zero, the entropy approaches a minimum value. This law is crucial for understanding the behavior of matter at extremely low temperatures. Letter A, Zeroth law of thermodynamics. Letter B, first law of thermodynamics. Letter C, second law of thermodynamics. Letter D, third law of thermodynamics. The answer is letter D, third law of thermodynamics. Question number 23. Complete enclosure of a waste in another material in such a way as to isolate it from external effects such as those of water or of air. Letter A, gravity separation. Letter B, encapsulation. Letter C, incineration. Letter D, waste minimization. The answer is letter B, encapsulation. Question number 24. The short-circuiting occurring in a sedimentation tank is represented by blank. Letter A, surface loading. Letter B, recirculation ratio. Letter C, detention time. Letter D, displacement efficiency. The answer is letter D, displacement efficiency. Question number 25. Reduction or removal is brought about by means of chemical reactions, by adding chemicals. It is a major treatment method used to enhance the removal of suspended solids, phosphorus, heavy metals, and BOD in specific system conditions. Letter A, chemical neutralization. Letter B, chemical coagulation. Letter C, chemical precipitation. Letter D, chemical oxidation. The answer is letter C, chemical precipitation. And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck, future master plumbers.